Dubai, as we know, is a modern-day global city with the best places to explore, stay, visit, and it's a place full of superlative attractions. And in today's episode, we're talking about another iconic place to visit in Dubai, the Dubai Frame. So what's the idea behind building a giant frame in the city? Well, it's quite simple really. Dubai is picturesque with its magnificent skyline and amazing landmarks. And this architectural splendor is to let you enjoy the awe-inspiring views of the city's both iconic new and charming old sites from a single frame. Let's go and check out what's it like from the inside. Begin your Dubai Frame experience from the ground floor or the structure's horizontal section. There is a museum and a gallery that uses the most advanced technology, along with an array of exhibits to fascinatingly throw light on Dubai's transformation from a quaint fishing village to an astounding global city. The elevator takes you directly to the topmost floor, or the upper horizontal rib of Dubai Frame. While one side gives you the outstanding views of modern Dubai, the other side will journey you back in time thanks to the understated yet charming structures that dot Karama, Bar Dubai, Dera and Harer areas. This is the walkway that connects the two towers of the Dubai Frame together, and it's built with very high-tech features like this one. Any time is a good time to visit the Dubai Frame, but the best time has to be around sunset so you can marvel at the way light reflects on the frame and watch the city light up. And if you're looking for a change of scene during the weekends, you can now enjoy breakfast at the world's biggest picture frame on Fridays and Saturdays with beautiful sunrise views. Taking the elevator to the future. Wow, there is so much to unravel at the Dubai Frame, the past and the future, both in the present moment. But before we leave, I have to do what's called a mandatory check, and that's click a selfie.